You've probably been told a number of times in school and maybe otherwise that you need to get more organized, or at least a lot of you have. There's some of you that are probably very organized, in which case I'll say congratulations. And through the rest of this presentation, just look for some more tips that you can use to help yourself get more organized. But for those of you who are wondering, I've been pretty successful so far without really worrying about organization. Why should I care now? The fact is, the older you get, the more responsibilities you get in high school, in college, in your job that you need to keep track of. Right? So the first thing is, if you're not organized, you're not going to keep track of it, and you're not going to do things that you need to do, and therefore you're not going to be as successful. In fact, you may even end up losing a job or failing classes based on simply just not keeping track of what you need to be doing next, which is really important because obviously losing a job is a big deal, but in high school, for instance, or in college, if you completely fail a class, you don't pass it, to earn credit, you will need to do it again. So you're actually wasting time that you're going to have to use again when you're not organized. Another thing about organization is, imagine dealing with a situation like this. Yeah, you still might get the work done after you spend an hour searching through it and finding where it is. But again, that is time that you could be using for other things, such as doing other work that you have to do, or ideally, maybe actually having some free time and relaxing, right? Because relaxing is important. You need that downtime. The more organized you are, the more likely it is that you'll be able to create some of that downtime for yourself so that you can focus on being relaxed at times and not being overwhelmed. So for all of these reasons, take a look at these different organizational tips and start implementing them now so that right from the beginning you're ready to go and you don't find yourself kicking yourself later on because you wasted time by not being organized.